on location to get a colour match for the 6-inch Tom. This is the paint that they've come up with, the colour. It's an emulsion, which is still an acrylic paint. It's water-based as well, so hopefully won't yellow as much over time. And you can lacquer over the top of it. So I've done this before on some bass drum hoops that went quite well. The plan's to match my 6-inch Tom to my piano white kit. These Artstar 2s, the first generation, were painted on the inside as well, which is really cool. And it's a matte flat finish, and then obviously gloss on the exterior. I've done a series of test pieces, and they was dark to start with, and they've got lighter and lighter. And it's very difficult to see, but I'm fairly close now. So I'm going to start preparing to paint the inside of the 6-inch. What I'm going to do is, I've sort of done an example here where I've flattened off the finish with sandpaper. You can see it there, and I'm fairly sure I'm going to be able to match this in the same way. So we'll see how we get on. Here's the painted interior. It was obviously a challenge because you can't get a spray gun in there, so I had to paint it with a brush like this, which was obviously a rough finish. And then I had to flatten it off with sandpaper, and it's super smooth now. I'm going to leave it to dry for at least a week before I put any lacquer on it. And then once the interior is done, I can it'll be a lot easier to handle, and then we can sort out the exterior. I repaired the lugs on this, removing the broken screws, so they're fully functional. But unfortunately, the chrome's quite pitted, so I did look at trying to get them re-chromed, but it's horrendously expensive. So I've managed to find some new ones, and they'll be coming soon. So I've got all the hardware I need now. I've got the badge. It's just going to take a good few weeks to get this paint sorted. So you're going to have to bear with me on this. But I mean, the paint takes a week. The lacquer takes 3 weeks before you can start sanding and polishing. So it'll be probably in the new year when this is finished. But I can't wait to see it done. It's going to be very, very cool.